This is the Spellbinders Betterpress Letterpress System. It's compatible with the Spellbinders Platinum machine, the Platinum 6 machine, as well as the Sizzix Big Shot. In the kit, you get the chase, which is the bottom white part, the platen, which is the acrylic plate with magnets, as well as 15 sheets of A2 cardstock, some Betterpress plates, as well as some Betterpress ink, and then some tape to tape the paper to the platen. So basically, other than the die cutting machine for the pressure, you have everything you need to get started within this one kit. There are also some shims that go underneath the plate or the mat that's in the chase. If you've never done letterpress before, it's where you're pressing an image into cardstock, and in this case we're inking it and pressing it in as well. There's a clear plastic film that covers the platen in transit, and I have to say it was satisfying to pull it off. I was surprised at how strong those magnets are holding the platen to the chase. I could actually hold the acrylic block and lift the entire thing up. The system comes with a little booklet that guides you through the letterpress process, which is helpful when you're just starting out. The cardstock that comes with it is cardstock that Spellbinders has found does this technique the best. There are 15 sheets of that cardstock, 5 sheets each of 3 different shades. So it's nice to have the cardstock to get started right away as well. With the plates that come with it, there is a floral image as well as the sentiments. The sentiments say to our favorite person, but there's the spelling difference in favorite for different spellings in different places. And I love the fact that Spellbinders thought of that. So I inked my Betterpress plate. I had taped my paper to the platen and run it through the machine, and I got some beautiful detail. Now I'm testing it out with some Hammermill cardstock, and I was pleasantly surprised I got some beautiful detail there. The last cardstock I tested was watercolor cardstock, and I got beautiful detail all the time. This is a fantastic system. I highly recommend it.